Hassan house. Hassan cousin house. Ooh, look at the curtain. It's a big house. Is it, Asia? Now we go this way. And there's a front door. And the curtain. This. Exit gate. Let's go. Let's go. This is the front door. This is first floor. Whee! Office room. Office room.
This will the British one.
Kitchen. I'm doing video. And this is the game room. It's a game room.
Mama.
Oh,
Mama, that's me.
first room. This is the first room. With the TV on it.
Mommy, it looks like the same hours. Looks like the same like hours.
They give our chair. Do you know that they give our chair? This Auntie Sampa room.
Yeah, they got the same chairs like us. And this is.
Come on, get up. And this is the toilet. And this is the walk-in closet.
And look at this, so pretty. Mommy, come here.
Don't touch it.
Pretty. Wow.
And there's the toilet.
Potty and the potty. They have so much potty. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Another room.
And another chair like ours. Yeah.
Because they give us our chair.
Yeah, but I didn't think.
Another room. Don't. Come on down.
Yeah, so many rooms. Yeah.
How many rooms? 6 rooms. With 2, what is the laundry room. And then the powder room.
Next one, toilet. And there's a shower. Yeah. They have so many toilets to do. Yeah. Here.
And
Oh.
this one is coffee.
So little. I did everything, Mom. I just did everything there.
We do video. Hi, Auntie Salpa. This is the owner.
On the other side there.
That's Auntie Salpa owner.
There.
You're doing video
Yeah, in your house.
and my food.
It's all right. And here we go. Let's go this way, Asia. And that's the dining table. Look how big it is. Asia, no? Ang damot to. Come this way, Asia. Another side of the room. Another toilet. First room. Another side of the house. First room. And this is the hallway. Must be this one is the young lady room. That's my favorite down there.
Look at those.
And this is 6 room. Mel. Sorry, Mel. I'm doing walk-in closet and toilet.
It's gonna be spicy.
Okay. Another hand outside. You see outside? Big house. Big house, isn't it? This is the outside. That's the outside.
يا عمي هذا اللي ركبته هلا عنا منك تاريخ. أنا بدي أرجع على الجراج.
And that's the garage. At the back. Close the door for her, listen. This is the backyard. How big is this? 1.5 acres. I will not go there anymore. Too far. You can't walk anymore.